In lesson 4.8, the example, we're going to look at the example, is this the girl's lucky day? And in this, we're going to be looking at counting and using counting to help us determine probabilities. There are 28 students in Mr. Wilcox's statistics class, 16 boys and 12 girls. Suppose Mr. Wilcox randomly selects 3 students' homework papers to grade. Use combinations to find the probability that all 3 students chosen are girls. So I need to think of this, we're finding a probability, but we're going to be using combinations, and I want all 3 students that are picked to be girls. So when I think about this, I know that I can use the general probability formula because each subgroup of 3 girls in the class is going to be equally likely. I can say, okay, the number of ways we can get 3 girls chosen out of the total number of outcomes in the sample space or in this class is what we're going to be looking at here. So when I think about this in our context, the probability 3 girls are selected because I need all 3 of them to be girls. So the number of ways to choose 3 girls out of 12 divided by the total number of ways to choose 3 students. So there's a distinction here. So when I think about this, the numerator for the number of ways to choose 3 girls out of 12 is going to be a combination. It's going to be of the 12 girls in the class, choose 3 of them. The total number of ways to choose 3 students, though, the total in the class is the 16 boys plus the 12 girls, so it's going to be 28 choosing 3 students. To calculate this, as you saw in the last example, we're going to be using 12 times 11 times 10 divided by 3 times 2 times 1, and then dividing that by 28 times 27 times 26 divided by 3 times 2 times 1. For a final answer of about 7%. So in this example, they asked us to use combinations, so we did. Okay, you can also look at in the reading a different or an alternative solution to this question. If you'd like more practice with combinations and probability, please try exercise 5.